Hey guys, guess what? I got a package right here and I'm gonna open this with y'all. Today we will dive into this unboxing of a company called Penelope's Tears, and I will give you the whole spill on that. But right now I'm ready for you to go subscribe. Okay, thank you. And thank you for watching Witching Around with Leslie. Now, it comes in this pink mailer right here. Pretty already. Now this company is called Penelope's Tears, and it's Penelope Tears, and this is Penelope's Tears Gothic Beauty. Whoa! So it's beauty, cosmetic, and personal care. I found them on Instagram. Like, this is a really cool lady, really nice, lovely lady, and she always, I love all her pictures. I love, I was already kind of familiar with her products by seeing, you know, her posting them and stuff. And it was a company I really wanted to try, like, seriously. She has her own website, Penelope'sTears.com, which I will go ahead and link the Instagram and that, and the website. But they have items from lashes, lips, skincare, and body. And, I just love the whole dark beauty thing, and they're out of San Francisco, and they have, the lashes are vegan. You know, they have some glosses. Wow, those look pretty. Lip balms, lip sugars, kisses, lip scrub, stone fruit radiant beauty oil, pure ultra gentle foaming cleanser, gentle touch skin balm, and they have beautiful lashes. Caramel apple lip gloss. Like, that says Halloween all over it. Ooh. How to apply lashes. So there's some helpful stuff on here too, like 3-step cleansing method to remove Gothic makeup. Interesting. How to really find the right eyelash size. And then it'll go through the whole spiel on that. Wow, that's, yeah, step-by-step directions. Now that I've told you a little bit about the product, let's go ahead and get this box going. So, okay, like, seriously, I'm already like, yeah. Penelope's Tears Dark Beauty, San Francisco, www.penelopestears.com. So I already love the black box. I'm loving it already. So we've got 2 cards. Stickers. Got two stickers. The pretty heart that has this to matching. I don't even want to open this box. Like, I don't want to tear this. I just want to keep this. I'm very big on packaging. Like, you can totally win me over with packaging, and this one has already won me over. Oh, it's even coming up without tearing so far. Oh, it didn't even tear. Oh. Oh my God, how awesome is that? That is so freaking pretty. Okay, so this is just freaking adorable. Like I said, I'm big on packaging, and like, I don't even need to go any further. I'm already sold, bought and sold. And oh, so sweet. I love it. Black and white. I've never seen a black and white lollipop, I don't think. I love it. Yes, I'm all about this. I'm all about this. Woo. So what we got here, we got some, and so it's Penelope's Tears Stone Fruit Plum Cherry Apricot Radiant Beauty Oil. Ooh, let's smell this. Oh my God, it already smells good. Like, seriously. Oh my God. That smells like a dessert. Oh my god, it smells so lovely. Put a little bit right here. Radiant Beauty Oil. That actually feels nice. Like it's not, like my skin already is absorbing it. It's not like greasy. What? What? My skin is soft and like not greasy. Like how do you put oil on it and it's not greasy? That's some good shit. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna go with this. Penelope's Tears Dark Kisses. Is it a lipstick? I think it's a lipstick. Oh, I've seen this lipstick advertised on there. Well, you know. Let me wipe off what I already had on. So I don't have it on very well, but I do have just happen to have a black eyeliner laying here, so okay. So I got that lined, and then I'm gonna finish filling it in. I didn't even do a swatch for y'all. I just went in there and started putting it on. See, and I'm not used to, I usually use liquid ones, but only because I've never found good ones that I like this, but so it doesn't feel drying. So it's very black. It's called Ferryman. Beautiful color, I love it. And I'm always on the lookout for black lipstick. Black lipstick is a staple for me, as y'all know. And then next up we have Penelope's Tears Dark Lashes and Scylla. Those are pretty. Those are pretty. It says, you are beautiful, you are radiant, you are powerful, cruelty-free synthetic lashes. Again, packaging is fabulous. Always nice to receive. Oh yeah. Not too long, but long enough. They're good quality too. Yeah, these aren't like Ardell's or Kiss Me or anything like that. These are, wow, these are nice. I like that they don't have, like the band's not too small, but it's not too big. It's easy to control. I'm excited to try these lashes. And then last we have, I know you can't tell very well, so I'll describe it to y'all. It is black with blue specks in it. And I even see some like greenish specks in it. What's a lip gloss? Ooh. Oh my god. It smells better than, almost better than the oil. Yeah. I can do that. I've been getting into colored glosses. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this over the black lipstick and see what it does. Oh. Well, I'm feeling kind of fabulous with this lipstick and gloss combo going on. Oh, you know what? We need to try some of these lashes. What am I thinking? I mean, come on. Scylla is the style name. Putting on my glue. Ah. Oh, wow. Oh my god, these are pretty. Oh, this looks like a flower. Okay, now let's go with the next one. Now look at the other side. Now these types of lashes, I will not purposely put mascara on them. I will apply mascara before. Yeah, these are the type that you want to last. Okay guys, so this is the finished look with the products I received. So looking at my hand afterwards, I don't particularly like greasy shit, so I'm very impressed with this oil actually. So this is the finished look, and I have nothing but greatness to speak about this, these products and this company and this lady, Melissa. I'm just so happy with these products that I received. Thank you guys so much for watching.